Hi guys, welcome to Mr. Indian Sir channel, and here we have another World Maths Olympiad level question. And how are we going to solve this? Okay, so the question is 14 cube plus 21 cube plus 28 cube plus 35 cube upon 14 into 21 into 28 into 35 is equal to how much? Alright, so let's begin with the solution quickly. So the solution starts. Okay, now just clearly observe, this is 14, 21, 28, 35, and in the denominator also we have 14, 21, 28, 35. So the only thing that we see common over here is the number 7, but we have to take some serious steps in order to solve this. Okay, so this will become 7 into 2 whole cube plus 21 into plus 7 into 3 cube plus 7 into 4 cube plus 7 into 5 cube. Okay, in the numerator, and the denominator we will have 7 into 2 into, what about 21, 7 into 3 into, what about 28, 7 into 4, and 35 is 7 into 5. Okay, so this was the first step that we need to take care of. So guys, in all of these cases, you know that if it is cube for both of them, okay, so 7 cube is there and 2 cube is there. If you write another line, okay, let's write it out. Okay, let's write it down. It will get a bit lengthy, but there is nothing to worry about. 2 cube plus 7 cube into 3 cube, okay, plus 7 cube into 4 cube and plus 7 cube into 5 cube. It is in the numerator, and in the denominator what are we going to get? This is 7. 7 is 1 times, 2 times, 3 times and 4 times. So we will write 7 to the power 4. Okay, I hope so you understand this much level of mathematics. So 2 into 3 is remaining, 4 and 5 is remaining. So 7 to the power 4 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Now guys, in the numerator we clearly see that 7 to the power 3 is common. Okay, do you see 7 to the power 3 common in the numerator? If yes, then we proceed, and we have 7 to the power 3 common in the numerator. So what are we going to remain with? So here it will remain 2 cube plus, in this case, 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube. Okay, and in the denominator we have 7 to the power 4, okay, into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Okay, so now we have 7 to the power 3 in numerator and 7 to the power 4 in the denominator. This means that 7 into 7 into 7, and in the denominator it's 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So 3 times this will get cut, and 1 times 7 will be remaining. So this will be 1 times, and this will be remaining with 7. Okay, from here it is, I have simplified this one here also. Okay, now next what? Next is, guys, what is the value of 2 cube? 2 cube is 8 plus 3 cube is 27 plus 4 cube is 4 for the 16 for the 64 plus 5 cube is 125 upon, what are we going to remain in in denominator? 7 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Okay, now let's we are going to proceed from here. Okay, we will take this from here. So 8, let's add all these things. Let's add the numerator. 125 plus 64 will become 981. Then we add 27, it will become 6 1. So it will 1 and 216 plus 8 4 2 2. Okay, so if we add all of the numerators, we have 224. Okay, so 224 upon 7 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Okay, so guys, if we know the basic algebra and how to cut in numerator and denominator, you can simplify from there also, or you can simply take the factors of 224, whatever you feel comfortable about. Okay, I can directly cut 2 ones and 112, but let's show you some easy method also wherein it can be simplified. So 224, if we take factorization, it will become 2, we will divide by 2, 1 1 2, then again 2 5 6, then again 2 20 be 8. Then again 2, it will be becoming 14, 2, 7, 7, 1. Okay, so the factors for 224 are the factors are 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 times, and into 7. And in denominator we have 7 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Okay, I could have directly cut, guys. I could have done this. Okay, 2 ones are 212 are, then further I would have cut it by 4, then whatever possibilities were there, but this has made it easy now. So 7 is 7, numerator and denominator, it is cutting down. Then again we have 2 is getting eradicated completely. Now 2 ones are 2 twos are, again 2 ones are 2 ones are here also. So what are we remaining with now? 2 twos are 4, and in denominator this is 5 threes are 15, and this is your final answer for that question, 4 upon 15. So you can write here 4 upon 15 as answer, and this is how you can solve such complex world maths Olympiad questions. And I hope so, guys, this video was quite interesting, and if you want to come across with such golden mathematics world Olympiad questions, then definitely do subscribe our channel, and thanks a lot for watching.